Hello viewers, this is Khalid Mahmood once again with you a new live video. The topic of the day is that how to convert a shapefile having images as an attribute into the KML file. So you can see the wallpaper and it is from Google Earth as you know. So let me show you the concept of the video. Suppose if you have a shapefile and the raster fields in it and you have saved your images. Suppose I will go to C drive and here is I have created this folder with the name images pictures. So I have these 4 images here within this location C drive pictures, and I have embedded these pictures with this attribute table of this shapefile. So once you click identify in ArcMap and you select any one point, and you can see that in identify you can see that the picture has an image, and if you will click on the image you can see the image. And let's click on second point, you can see the image, and you can see the third image. So right now I have 4 points and the images, they are in the form of with the file type .jpg. So you have these images in a shapefile and you want to convert in a Google Earth file like this. I have converted these 4 points and you want the final result like this one, the Google Earth file having images. Then this video is for you. Stay connected. So first of all, I believe that you guys know how to create the geodatabase and how to create the shapefile and then how to add pictures in it. So for the sake of revision, let me create it for you, then we will go for the conversion. So let me remove this database and let me open our catalog, and this is my first file geodatabase which I have created. Let me create the new one. Right click, new file geodatabase. I will name it file geodatabase 2, and then we will right click, go to new, and then feature class points, we can say points with image and with coordinate system WGS 84, copy paste. So from the type we have to select point features. It could be any type of feature class, but I am showing you for the points only. Click next, select WGS 84. From, if you will not able to find in favorites, go to geographic coordinate system, then go to world, then you can find it here, WGS 84. Click next, 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 and here you can add 2 fields, one field with name and its data type text, and the second one is picture and its data type is raster, and then click finish. So we have created this point shapefile, and for layers you can check that the layers coordinate system should also be the same as of the shapefile. It is WGS84. Apply. OK. Now we have to create some points inside this shapefile. So we have to start editing and then go to create feature, select point, and then click here. Then we will click one point here in Dhahran area, in one Qatif area, and one in dammam, and one in khobar area. So we can change the symbol size and color. So we can clear selected records and we can save edits. Now you can see that we have 4 points in this shapefile. So now you have to open its attribute table and you can name it whatever you want. For example, you click this point and it is the area name Dhahran. You can name it Dhahran, and second record Qatif, and third record from dammam area, and this one from khobar. So save. So for Dhahran you have to click this cell and then you have to click this sign, then here right click, then click load and click open location, and now this is the location of your folder pictures in the C drive. So if you are not connected to C drive, then you can go to connect to folder and then connect your C drive like this. So this first cell is for Dhahran, so select dhahran.jpg. OK. Second one, right click, load. Second one is for Qatif area, qatif.jpg. OK. Meanwhile you can save. Third one is for dammam, and the fourth one is khobar. Right click, load, and here khobar.jpg. Click OK. Editor, save edits. Now you have successfully saved. Now you can stop editing and you can select identify and select this point, and here you can find the image attached into your shapefile. So this is the simple way how to create a file view database, and then how to create a shapefile, and then how to import images into the shapefile. Now the second thing, the main point of the video is that how we will convert this one into KML including the images. So first of all you have to stop editing. You have to right click on the shapefile including images and go to data and then go to export and choose a selected folder. So in downloads folder I have just created a new folder with the name shapefile, and here I will bring this shapefile with the same name as we have created before, points image WGS84 as the coordinate system. Save. Okay, we will not add it there. Click now. So now we will minimize the ArcMap, and now we have to use the QGIS, the open source software. Let me change wallpaper. So now we will use the QGIS software to convert this shapefile with images into a KML. So you can download QGIS from their official website. It's totally free. Just go to google.com and type download QGIS. You will come to this page, and here you will see some of the information. So I have downloaded this version, long term release, most stable, as my Windows is 64-bit. So I have downloaded this one and installed. Installation is easy. You have to double click the exe file and then install. So let's open QGIS. So we have opened successfully QGIS, and here one important thing is that from the pictures location, the place where you have saved your images, for example C drive, and this is the folder pictures where I have created this folder and I have placed the images inside this location. And here you can see you can copy this place and paste in a notepad like this, as I have saved it again, saved it already, and then just put this sign backslash, and you have to copy all the images name, including their extension .jpg. For example, dammam, so I have copied it here already. For khobar already, khobar.jpg and dammam.jpg. So this is, you have to get ready for all of your images in a notepad. And so suppose you have note down this one and you have opened QGIS. So you have to go to Open Data Source Manager, and then you have to click this vector. If it is not selected already, you have to select vector, and then you have to select this file, and then you have to click this button, and you have to go to the shapefile which you have exported from uh, ArcMap. So you have to select the shapefile with the extension .shp. Select it, click open, add, close. So just wait until this message disappears. It's okay. Now you can see that the 4 points has been added into the QGIS. So this is the QGIS shapefile. You have to right click and open attribute table. So here you will find something that for these 4 points, this field which were available in GIS, the picture has been removed. So we, and the format of the ArcMap is different than the QGIS. So we have to add this field again in QGIS. So this is the attribute table we have opened from this way. Right click, open attribute table, and then we have to add that field picture. So you have to click here toggle editing mode. So here you can see that now we are in editing mode, and here new field, or you can press Ctrl W from the keyboard. So just click on it. So here you can type picture, say it a picture, and select data type as text, and select here suppose 100. So name picture, data type text, length 100, click OK. So here, so for Dhahran, for example, you have to copy this path, this full name, and paste here. The second one is qatif, so you have to copy qatif and paste here. And third one is dammam, so you have to copy and paste here. The fourth one is khobar, copy and paste. So here from this button you have to save edits. It's not saved, again Control V, Uber. Okay, now save edits. So now you have successfully saved your picture names and location as well by creating a new field in QGIS attribute table. So you have to save it and you have to just close it. So now you have closed the attribute table. So here now you have to click on open field calculator. So you have successfully opened field calculator, and you have to select here create virtual field, and you can call it picture underscore V or whatever you want. V means virtual field, and output field type as string. So now you have to copy this code available in the description as well. Let me bring it to this so you can see. You have copied this one and just paste it there, and you can see that after pasting this one you are able to see the images. So now you have to click OK, and you have just entered this code, and this one is available in the description. You can copy from there. So now we have to convert this shapefile to KML. So you have to right click, export, save feature as, and the format. Here you have to select from the available options. You have to select keyhole markup language KML, and the file name you can browse, go to desktop, and you can write it KML from shape with image, save, and keep rest of the things as it is, or you can just change this name field with underscore 1, and you have already selected the coordinate system, as we have selected this coordinate system at the time of creation of the shapefile in ArcGIS. So now you can click OK. So we can see layer exported successfully, and wait until this message text turned into yellow and then disappear. Then you can minimize this one. Now you can see that we have saved this KML onto the desktop. So we will double click on it, and let me turn off the previous one, and let me turn on this one. So we have these 4 points and click on any one of the point. Yes, we have successfully converted a shapefile with the images into a KML file. So thanks for watching, and if you are new to the channel, then consider subscribing. So write down your comments below in the video, and it will encourage me to make more videos. Thank you very much. Bye bye.